guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kelsey Wiebe, and today I'm going to be walking you through how I meal plan and do a little bit of meal prepping. It's not so much as that I'm making all of the food, but I'm going to be buying all of my vegetables, all of my fruits. I'm going to be cutting it up, making the more nutrient-dense option the easiest, most obvious, and most convenient option. But here's a little surprise for you. If you did not know, I am currently living in Zihuatanejo, Mexico. I'm super excited. I absolutely love it here. Welcome to my kitchen. I'll give you a little apartment tour at some point. But today is a really special day because we're going to be going to the market. So you'll get to experience all of what it's like to be here in Mexico and to buy local fresh ingredients. You'll actually see the meat is like hanging and we're in a fisherman's town, so we've got lots of fresh fish options, and I just really want to kind of take you around and see that. But also today is Sunday, which means that in the little neighborhoods, they have houses that have restaurants that serve food like menudo, which is cow stomach or cow hooves or cow feet. It's soup. It's actually really good. Don't judge it before you try it. And then there's also things like carnitas or barbacoa. So I'm super excited to show you guys some traditional Mexican food and dishes. But welcome to Mexico. Welcome to my kitchen. And yeah, let's get started. I just want to show you guys, so this is a cute little restaurant that they have. It's kind of a house that they've turned into a restaurant, and some of the traditional foods they have here in Mexico is barbacoa, which is beef, and then they also have menudo, which we didn't get this time, and then it's very important, I've been told, how important it is to make sure that you have tortillas at every single meal. And I just want you guys to realize, like, food is part of a tradition, it's an experience, and how I make sure that I'm still aware and conscious of my decisions is I use the Eat app. So I just take a picture of my food before eating it, and it lets me know how long I took to eat, and it helps me just kind of remember what I ate throughout the day without feeling like I have to obsess over calories, macros, points, all this stuff. So, provecho, buen provecho. So just a little side note, I thought I would let you know how I try and just enjoy my food without overeating. So I know that's super easy, especially when it's something new and fun and different. So I actually have a notification using the 8 app that at 10 minutes I get notified, hey, take a little time out. And that just lets me know, hey, take a little time out. Check in with yourself. How full are you right now on a scale of 1 to 10? Are you actually enjoying your food? Are you savoring each bite? How much more do you want to eat? And just kind of taking that moment to check in with yourself and be aware with your hunger and fullness cues. Really, really important. Remember, it's so much less important about like what you're eating and more so about why and how you are eating. So. Alright, and welcome to the markets here. I'm going to kind of take you inside and give you a little bit of a tour. Quick little tip, make sure that whenever you're going grocery shopping that you are not hungry, which is why we had breakfast first. So, but come along with me. And I'm basically just going to, remember, we want to make the most nutrient-dense option easier, obvious, and more convenient. But here in Mexico, and I would probably say a good practice wherever you are, is to wash your vegetables. And so here in Mexico, we actually fill like this up with water, and then I'll put about 10 drops of this in. With all of our vegetables, we'll soak it for about 10 to 15 minutes, and then I'll end up chopping it up and just having it in bowls or plates. Simple things to grab and go that are more nutrient-dense options. So that's what we're going to do now. Alright guys, so we're just finishing up here and just wanted to kind of show you the finished product. So obviously we had some spinach and we were cleaning it here and then chopped up and have a whole bunch of it just ready to go in a bowl just because you're far more likely to actually use it. Also have some Tupperware here, like chopped up veggies. So I like to have a lot of, like, we're here in Mexico, guacamole is awesome. So definitely have a lot of guacamole, but instead of using chips, just so I can have a bit more fiber and more nutrients in throughout my day, I have like carrots cut up in here, cucumbers, and bell peppers. Also, if I want, I've also like restaurant prepped, and we're about to use some of it now. We've got some camarones, some shrimp. Oh yes, and rice, and we're gonna make a big kind of stew. And so we've already set up, like we've already got our onions and peppers and some garlic already chopped up. And just like by having these things like washed and like just easy and accessible, it's just gonna make it so much easier for you to reach for those options when you are hungry or when you're like, it's been a long day and you don't wanna cook. It's so much easier because now you don't have to chop up the vegetables. So that's what I mean by meal planning. And obviously using and getting ideas from like FitMenCook and different things like that. But we're gonna continue on making our dinner. But thank you all so much for watching and being a part of my little Mexican adventure here in Zihuatanejo, Mexico. Be sure to give this video a big thumbs up if you like the content or found any of it helpful or fun. And be sure to subscribe for more videos. Trying to come out with a new video at least every 2 weeks. And thank you guys so much for being here. Have an awesome rest of your day. Mwah.